Good morning everybody, and here we have a Holden Calais. It's in to have some performance work done on it. A little button there, where are we? Unlock. There we go. Oh, come on. There we go, clumsy fingers. Oh, very nice little vehicle. Okay, we've got one of these stop-start buttony things here. So here we go. With an indicated 179,038 kilometres on the extremely digital odometer, we'll get it inside and see what we're going to do. Ooh, my link flash. Not a particularly warm morning. Okay, up we go. Okay, now inside the building, and we shall cease the flow of electrons to the power plant. Wait, and I'll show you what needs to happen. Okay, we are a 2015 VF for Fred Calais. It has the LFX engine in it. So, spike protector will go on, and remember with these later Commodores, batteries in the boot, so you put your positive on there and a negative on usually that grounding point there for any welding. And there will be welding because down there, way down there, are some catalytic converters, and they're going to be swapped out for something a little bit more flowy, or considerably more flowy. Okay, with the Calais now sufficiently elevated above my said noggin, we will, after we've dealt with the front, be removing these flex bellows there and there, because inside them they're not there, they're like that. So we're going to lose that restriction, retaining all of the straight through resonating to keep it nice and quiet, and further forward the catalytic converters bolt up directly to the cylinder heads. So I'll see if I can zoom in a little bit. You might see it, you might not, so hang on. Aha, there are the flange plates up there because it wants to focus on the closest thing, and that comes down onto there, and there is the catalytic converter back to here. On this side, same sort of dealio, up there, down, and to here. So these get removed. These are then removed from the assembly, and 100 cell metallic cord high flow cats go in there and there, reinstall on the car, and suitable tuning can then be performed upon the vehicle. But that's after we're done with it, and that'll happen next week, I'm told. So anyway, as per customer's request, this is what's happening. Well, a goodly amount of time later, and that catalytic converter had been removed from the car, heat shields removed, the old catalyst body removed, a new one installed, the heat shields have been trimmed back to suit and reattached. And the other one now, over here, is currently in the process of being disassembled. Absolutely not a 5-minute job, and nothing as simple as the earlier VY models. Well, the front's now completed, so we're onto the rear to delete these things. As you can see, I've been sitting for a few hours now, and just all the condensation that still sits in there. Look how much smaller it is inside these. They are a restriction, and they're unusual because they have in there a rubber, we call it diaphragm or something, between the inner and outer. They're not a regular bellows, uniquely Commodore. And I'll show you a quick look at the finished work. Not exciting for you to look at, but there are hours of work involved. With the cats needing to be brought down, the actual body of them cut out, and then measure up, put them back in place, take the new ones in place while reassembling all of these back in their happy place, and then undo it all, pull them down, weld them up, and that had to happen one side at a time or nothing lines up. When that was finished, we've gone back here and we've dealt with the bellows flex not being here or here anymore, so we don't have the smaller restriction that was in it. Okay, so the work's completed. I'm now sitting in the car with the windows up, doors closed, and we'll give you a bit of a listen to it as I drive out, and then Lino will be driving away and you can hear that as well. Commencing ignition sequence now. We don't want it loud, but we want better flow. That's better. Warning, Will Robinson, warning. As we slowly go backwards. Alright, I'll bail out now, pause the video and you'll get to hear it going away. And here we go. The gentleman's last car was a VE SSV, and he's gone up to a Calais with a later model. Very nice. So yeah, it's got that V6 throatiness about it, but not over the top, like some things that drive past here. We were looking for flow. It's going to be tuned electronically and try to squeeze out a little bit more out of it. Those things have got heaps enough power now anyway. LFX engine, so yeah. Anyway, if you would like to do me the honour, hit that little like button. Somebody gave me a phone call this morning. I tried to message you, well, we wasn't following the page. You can't message me if you don't follow the page. Alright, cheers for now.